afternoon kids. Welcome in our English class. Today we will write A to Z capital and cursive letter. Dear students, this is our English notebook. Open this book. On very first page you have to write name, standard, section and subject. Okay? Now turn the page. Yes. Here we have one slipping red line and two standing red lines. This is called margin. And here we have to write date. Here we have to write the topic. Okay. So today we are going to write A to Z cursive capital alphabet. Let's write A TO2 Z. A to Z. Let's write. First A for apple. Dear students, you have to write with the beautiful, neat and clean writing in this two red line and in middle two blue lines like this. Okay? Here we have to keep our two fingers and leave some space, and then we have to write here. Here we have to write capital B. B for ball. Again keep two fingers and write next. C for cat. Keep two fingers. C after. D for dog. A, B, C, D. D after. E for elephant. Now here no need to keep two fingers, you know. This much space we have to leave. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. Very good. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. P after Q. Yes, Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Our A to Z alphabet complete. Now turn the page. Slowly you have to turn your page. Here we have to write A to Z cursive small alphabet. Okay? Same. Don't forget to write date over here in margin space. Okay? You have to write date here and topic here. So, A TO2 Z. Let's write. A for apple. Again you have to keep two fingers, leave some space and write B here. B for ball. C for cat. Now you all know this much space you have to leave. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. Dear students, you make sure you have to see proper red line and blue line, and then you have to write. L for lion after M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. And Z for zebra. Very good. You have to speak and write. Our A to Z small alphabet complete. Bye bye kids. Take care.